Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's continue building a news website. So far, I have created a template for archive page, for the categories and tag, and I have created a single post template. So if you wondering how I made this template, you can some of part of this template I have made the documentation on my previous video, so please watch it if you're interested. For today, there is an interesting job which I should do, which is creating a gallery photo slider, which has which synchronize with other slider. So we have two slider here, the main slider with a big image on the top, and we have I have this description of each pic, since I plan to create a photo stories news, so each photo has a stories behind that, and it should be synchronized with the slider below that. So if I click here on the main image, the thumbnail slider will slide, and vice versa. If I click if I slide the thumbnail slider, the main slider will slide too. So I got a plan to create a custom post type, but of course I have created it here, but I have not set the custom field. So let's start by creating a custom field using ACF plugin. Let's name it single photo. Photo is photo. Yeah, it's Indonesian language. Field type, I'm gonna use repeater, and then let's name it photo berita photo repeater. Okay, and then let's create our field. The first thing is image. Let's add name, image. It's image. Photo. Yep. And then for the second is text paragraph and text area, since maybe the description of photo more than one sentence. Field label is description. Photo description. I will use description. Description is description. Photo. Okay, cool. Then so this field group if post type is equal to berita photo, and let's save change. Let's see. Oops. And add new. Add row. Yeah. Description image. Okay, let's say what's that? Lorem ipsum title berita photo. And this description, let's go to Lorem Ipsum. This website is the top tier for generated the dummy text. one of the website which I always use if I build a website. The image I'm gonna use the already uploaded image. So here you need, if you concerned about the CEO, you need to fill this. Yeah, my friends told me, and yeah, you must. He said you must fill this. Okay, but this is only this is only demo of the content, so right now I will not fill it. Description, let's add here, and then add row, and let's click here, and let's see. I think I will create maybe 5 or 6 slide. Add row, add image, and yeah, like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Is there no image which has a vibrant aura, like have fun type of image? And it's like all the gloomy. It has a dark sense of image. I'm not like it, but whatever. So let's publish. And let's go to our bricks template and create as a template for a single Berita photo custom post type. So I'm using this. I have created it actually. So let's edit with bricks. And then we're gonna set the condition, post type, berita photo. Okay, cool. And then populate content, single post, and search for what's that? Lorem? Wait, berita. Okay, here. Okay, apply preview. Okay, cool. Let's save first, and we're gonna create our new section container, and let's see. So there is title, and then the what did I think I will use the axis, the single post template for the heading for the title. So let's where is that single post? Here. I'm gonna make this video faster since it will be a long time, since we need to work with some JavaScript query and something. Alright. Oh, so like post title, image. Okay, so I need to create section, container, and then div, container with, oh yeah, here the class name, flex 73 flex row. Okay, so let's container, add to div, and set this to flex 73, since one side using 7% of width and the other side is using 30% of width, and then gap we're gonna using a gap 32 pixel. Okay, nice. And then we're gonna just copy here, copy. Yeah, you can use my previous video about building this single template. Yeah. So I'm just gonna copy all here and then paste it like a boss. Okay. And there is a padding on the section, right? Padding 40. Okay. So it's PDY 40. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna delete this image, and then this is the post content. Okay, here. Okay, I think I'm gonna using this. Yeah, but this is so slow, very slow. I will delete some of them, and then I will add again later. So this delete. Okay, cool. And let's the first thing, what should I do? Let's see the layout. Not that. So post content, and then after that gallery. Okay. Where is post content? Here. And then after that we're gonna create a nestable slider. Nestable slider 1. Then delete the slide. So since we're gonna use a query loop here, query loop, name it slider item. I always forget which div is that slider item. Okay, and then name it first, so I will not forget slider main. See, that is so lagging. Okay, let's change the query type. Here is repeater, which I created before. And then heading, no, we only need a photo. We only need image. Where is that? The image, and then here, delete. So lagging. Use dynamic data, SCF photo here, Durita photo repeater. Okay. Should I close this? Okay. Okay, cool. And then let's add a photo description using basic text. And then let's delete this. Choose dynamic data. Dynamic data deskripsi. Where is the paragraph here? So slow. All right. Where is my text? Okay, let's see on the front end first. Why? Why the other photo? Oh, yeah. You know what? It's the height. The problem is with the height of here. Can I say unset? Ooh. Okay, cool. And then let's change this to the small first. And let's see the reference website. Where is that? So we only have an arrow. Okay, arrow, where is that? Disable the fake pagination. Yep. Oh my god, so slow. I don't know, it's maybe related to my hard disk or my PC. Let's remove the background. Okay, I will not customize this text since I got problem with the speed of my local, but I'm gonna continue to create a slider for thumbnail. So let's create a nestable slider. Where is that? Why go inside the slider main? Here. Ooh. Please be patient. Slider, and let's delete the slide, and we need to leave it only one since I'm gonna enable the query loop. So this content, enable query loop, and then set the data to repeat the field. Okay, cool. And then we're gonna remove this, delete, and delete. Okay, and then we're gonna change the layout of the thumbnail slider. We have a pagination. No, I think, oops, no pagination. Yeah, I just arrow, but I will add arrow later since I don't wanna make these things slower. Let's go to option, and then set the item to show to 4 maybe. Okay, and set the height to unset. Alright, let's save it, and then should I make the image or should I use a background image? I think I will use this image, and then set the dynamic data to photo, maybe 30 pixel. It's enough, I think. Yeah, and then I'm gonna set the aspect ratio to 4:3, or here ratio. Yeah, okay, cool. Hey, why other image has not changed? Okay, now it's changed. And then do we have a gap or no? Yeah, we have a gap. So where is the gap setting? Gap spacing. Yeah, here spacing is maybe 8 rem. 0.8 rem. I don't know, let's see. Oh my god. Ooh. Okay, that's cool. Not cool, but yeah, it's enough. Okay, let's see on the front end. Okay, now this stupid laggy thing, we will leave it that, since we're gonna move to JavaScript things. So I always read and search and find about the Bricks tutorial, and maybe you know this guy on the website is itchikodo.com. He show us a nice and great tutorial to sync a different carousel, but it's using the not Nestable slider. It's using just normal slider, standard slider. I'm gonna use this code. So he explained everything on his blog, so you can read that. I'm gonna use some of this code and maybe modify a little bit. So let's copy here, and then open your JavaScript file. Where is, okay, here. I'm gonna use the file on my temp child, so just copy and delete the script tag. Okay, here this is our main carousel ID and the thumbnail carousel ID. We're gonna need to change that ID with our actual ID. So just go. Yeah, you can actually copy this. You see on the top left, the ID, the BRXE, and then EPEOIC, and the ID is EPEOIC. You can copy that for the thumbnail slider, and here in the main slider I have another ID, and I'm gonna use that, but I always open my console tag to see the DataScript ID, and just copy that. So this is the first. Okay, here it is, the first the main slider, and let's change this to this, and this is the thumbnail carousel. Then where is the thumbnail? Here, thumbnail here. Copy this ID and then ships. Okay, then see, we have a really nice comment which explain a little bit about the code. Define our carousel ID. Yeah, I have defined it. And then define our carousel function. Okay, and then check swiper instance exists. Okay, we need to change the swiper to slide, since the brick use a slide instance for its slider, for its nestable slider. So I'm gonna change this swiper to slide. Change all. Okay, so see, all the swiper words has been replaced by slide. And then what else? Oh yeah, here. The first thing is if you wanna, if you see on the example of the thumbnail synchronizing using Split, you need to sync the main slider and with the thumbnail slider, and then we need to mount it, the two slider, so the slider can work. You can read the full explanation, the better explanation on this website, splitejs.com. But in my opinion, it's impossible to just hijack this slider, since this slider has been initialized on the bricks JavaScript on the builder. If you can see on the, which one is that? Wait. Here the bricks JavaScript file has initialized all the sliders, so it's really hard to hijack or to intercept the slider with a normal way. But thanks to this article, which one is that? Which one is that? Thanks to this article, we can make it something work. And then the first thing is I'm gonna destroy first, since the slider's working, so it has been initialized by the script, but I need to destroy it first, and then I'm gonna reinitialize each slider which has been destroyed. So if you take a look here, where is the option? Yeah, we got a destroy option, destroy true, and then we can destroy the slider, so the slider will not work. That's the first thing I will do. And if you see on the bricks, it has the destroy function too, so I think it's the right function we will use. So I'm gonna destroy this. The first is destroy this thumbnail cursor ID, or we can just copy here. We're gonna destroy these two slider first. Okay, and just destroy. Okay, destroy and destroy. Okay, let's see the effect of destroyed slider. Really? Let's see. There's error. Cannot reading TGEXPE. Where? Why? TGE. Wait. Let me see. Oops, wrong. Where is that? Main carousel ID. Sync carousel, main carousel ID ya. Oh, right here. We're gonna delete this, since this is the setting for the swiper API function. Okay, let's see again. Oops, there is error, still error. Where is that? Main carousel ID. Oh man, why it slide? It should not slide, it's slide. Oh my god, I always typo. whatever I write, whatever I'm writing, I always typo. Okay, there is no change, no slide text here, right? I think it's slide. Yeah. Okay, I think it's good. Let's reload. Okay, so this is the destroyed version of the slide. And then after we destroy, we need to initialize each of slider, and then we need to sync it so it can sync for each other. We will go ahead to the supplied GitHub. Where is that? Okay, here. So let's go to discussion. Go to the github.com supplied.js and you will see the discussion, and I have asked the developer or maintainer of this repository, and he answered that we can find the answer here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna sync the data, sync the slider using a data attribute. So something like this. If we have a data sync project gallery on the thumbnail, and here yeah, this main slider with the ID project gallery and the slider with the data sync project gallery, it will sync each other. So this is the user version, but the maintainer offer a new solution, which is this. So I'm gonna just copy here. I don't really know about the JavaScript. You can maybe learn, just run on Stack Overflow or something. I will not explain full to you, but I'm gonna just copy here, and let's, where is that, after we destroy. Okay, let's put this. Okay, here, document query selector all. It will find the element with a data syncs, and then it will initialize the split using a new split, and then two slider here will sync each other using the sync function, and then the mount, and it will initialize it, make the slider working. You can find this explanation on the Splider website. Okay, so what should we do here is I'm gonna create a data syncs. So let's go to our builder and see. We're gonna rename the element ID to, let's say, main slider. And then I'm gonna create a data attribute to thumbnail slider. So data sync sync value is same with the ID of the main slider. It's main slider data sync. Okay, oh my god, it's all slow again. Okay, let's save it. All right, and let's see. Wait, it's not working. Why? Let's see again. Maybe I have main cursor ID. Let's see, custom right. Let's reload first and see what's happened. Oh yeah, I have not saved it, I think. maybe, just maybe. Let's refresh. Okay, the slider is work now. Okay, see, it's synchronized, but we cannot see whether it's work or not. But if you see on the left here, on the left here, if I scroll down, it change, and then if I scroll down, I scroll to the thumbnail slider, it work, change. Yeah. You see on the left, yeah. Okay. Let's see. Is there any option to see to make the highlight of the slider to the center? I think I have seen that cover. Snap drag, clone with speed. No, like middle or center. That's interesting. Option, arrow, API. Let's go to API. Lengthing. No. I'm really bad at JavaScript. Really bad. Just let's see on the example. Now paging, focus center. This is what I do. And this is what I need. So we're gonna hijack the slide option for thumbnail. So let's slide. I'm gonna just to replace this, right? Just copy here, since here const thumb. So we need to create add option to this slider. LM. So I need to just put option here, I think, maybe, I don't know. Let's see. Focus center. Yep. Let's save and let's see. Focus center, where is? This is better. You see now our image here. So it's 1, 2, 3 image on the center will change. See, yeah, we can add some CSS like where is that? Is active, is visible, is active, is visible. Yeah, I think we can use this. Maybe is active, is visible. Yeah, maybe add some border or whatever you like. Yeah, but I will not create it right now, since I have things to do, which is on this. If you I saw this layout, the edition.cnn.com, and it has the slide total slide number, and then the number of the slide. So here is the first slide, and this is second slide, and yeah, and etc. So I found the code pen here, and here using this. See, we have a nice, and yeah, this is the, if you only need to show the number of the slide, which active slide, you can use this. But if you wanna show something like this, there is a number of slide and then the total of the slide, we can use this. component extension. So what I'm gonna do is, where is that? I don't know. This is brick. Okay, where is that? Where is that? So I'm just gonna copy this and then paste. Paste. Yeah, copy this and then we can paste it here, but we need to remove the export. So it's function slide number, slide component, function amount, div, and then if I save and let's see the effect, I think it will not good. Yeah, it is not good, but it's not showing. I don't know. Let's see on the I think there is no. Let's see. Yeah. No. Nope. So this script code is basically tell the browser to create a div element with a div tag and then add some text align center and add margin top to this div, and then it's insert before. So the value of the number of slide will insert to this div, but I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna create our custom div. So I'm gonna where should I put that? Oh yeah, on the slider main, right? So slider item, and then gonna create div, and then let's rename the div to slide number and save, and let's save, and then let's see the tag. Yeah, here we have a slide number here, and this should be yeah, here. Okay. Anyway, let's change this code by let element function update. The first thing is I'm gonna target the element which I created before by using some. I'm gonna remove this, remove element document, get element by ID, element by ID, and then what ID which I created, slider number, and then track parent element. It's not parent element but track parent element, insert before. Now we need to replace this insert before to append. Then we're gonna remove this track. No, I think we should leave it, or let's save it first. Yay, nothing. Slide number, div ID slide number. Okay. Why is slider? It's slide number. Yeah, but still not working. Where is slide number? Class slide number, div ID slide number, slide div ID. Oh yeah, here the mount. Let's see the extension, return mount. Where is the code pen? Okay, here, if you see after the mount function, we need to, here the function name is getNum. On the extension, the function name is slider number. So if you take a look at this, where here the function getNum should be state again, should be pasted again to this inside this mount. So slider mount function getNum, slider mount getNum, and here the function slider number, and we need to see our main sync thumb mount. Here main, we need to add to the main slider. So basically it's just slide number, yeah, I think main, on the main mount, the function name here slide number. Let's see, maybe. All right, now we are getting right. We are in the right track. Since do I have really six image? I forget. I add 6 or 7. Let's see. Oh, 1 6. Okay, 6 photo, 6 item of repeater item, and yeah, we have 1 to 6. Okay, cool. But why there is null? What the heck is null? Element open element. I need to only append to this element. Okay, so the left is I only maybe add some position absolute, and then top 0, and it should be on the top, yeah, and then yeah, maybe add some styling, but I will not do it here because I think you guys already know how to customize the element, whether using the builder setting or using a custom CSS on the CSS temp child file, or anything using like WP code box, or just like any plugin. Hey, let's see on the builder. I forget, I never refresh the builder. Let's see whether it's good or bad. All right. I thought the image is gone. Okay. Yeah. I think this layout, yeah, it's not really good, but not really bad, I think. Yeah, I mean, you cannot yeah, you can still edit, but yeah, you know, there is no animation or something here, but yeah, I don't care. The only thing is the front end. Okay, by the way, it's so long. The tutorial is actually simple, but how much minutes is there? Oh, almost 1 hour. Anyway, thank you for watching. If, as usual, if you have any critique, suggestion, or question about this content of video, please write on the comment box below. Or maybe if you have a better solution, please share with us, with me, and with other people, so we can use you can choose the alternative for creating synchro slider with synchronize with other slider. Okay, happy weekend, happy coding, see you and bye bye. Ciao.